Everyone, thanks so much for joining us for News 5 at 6 on this Friday. I'm Elizabeth Watts.
Good evening. I'm Rob Cork. Right now at 6, the state and the defense rest their case in the Patrick Frazee murder trial today. Frazee chose not to testify in his own defense. In fact, the defense never calling a single witness.
The prosecution ending with bombshell testimony over blood splatter and from a former inmate claiming Frazee asked him to put a hit on the witnesses in this case. Sam Kramer live in Cripple Creek with the details on this final day of testimony. Sam.
Well, guys, a bloodstain expert testified that the story Crystal Kenny gave to police about what happened here is consistent with the physical evidence and small blood stains found in Kelsey Barrett's townhome. He says that Barrett was likely hit 10 to 15 times. That fact brought Daryl Barrett to tears, that testimony I should say, but it was all overshadowed by a former Teller County inmate who says Patrick Frazee sought his help in getting rid of or taking out key witnesses in this case like Crystal Kenny and CBI agent Greg Slater. Now, at the request of the DA's office, we chose not to share this inmate's name out of fears for his safety. He used to be part of a prison gang. He says when Frazee learned of that, he sought his help in killing or kidnapping key witnesses for the state. The inmate kept handwritten notes he says Frazee gave him, some including names, addresses, and phone numbers. One even says Frazee wanted to see a bullet put into Kenny's head. But on cross-examination, the defense attacking his credibility, noting he came forward hoping for a plea deal on other charges and only brought this info to the DA's office this week. Nonetheless, it was admitted and it was powerful. So the state ended up resting their case in the early afternoon. The defense rested their case after Patrick Frazee was given the option to testify. He instead chose the right to remain silent. So we are set for closing arguments. After just an explosive day of testimony, those closing arguments will come on Monday. For now, always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. I'm Sam Kramer, News 5.